So today in my Clean With Me challenge video, I'm going to do the dining room. It's probably the last room that I really need to do, but it's a little, first of all, it's a little messed up and I feel like I need some more lighting. I did the other day arrange the table for the, my Valentine's tablescape without dusting the table and everything. I just got in the mood to arrange, and I put up a little bit of a tablescape. So I need to actually take everything off and dust it. So I do have a little bit of a mess here. Yeah, I got a Kasori pressure cooker, and this one doesn't work, and they sent me another one. I'm actually going to be doing a review on that, and I just got a little bit of messed up stuff there. And I want to clean the windows. Again, it's really dark in here. The lights burnt out in my hutch, so I don't have lights for that. So I'm going to do the best I can. I guess I should go get a my lighting and maybe use that, and maybe that'll help. So I am standing here truthfully in my bathrobe. That's why you're not seeing my face. So first I need to go get dressed. It is 8-ish o'clock, yes. And yeah, I have a lot of stuff to do. So I'm going to clean this. And my brother's going to come over today and fix this drawer. That drawer got broken, so he's going to do that. So I'll be filming another video of my craft room today. So that will go up another day. But I guess the point of this is I'm going to clean it up to mess it up again, actually, because all of my IKEA shelving needs to be put in here because my brother's going to assemble it. So I got to clean up this mess, and the boxes are going to be laid in here, and I kind of want to clean all up that mess before he does that. So great, right? Clean it up to mess it up. But he needs to be able to take the boxes out and like put it here and build it so he has some room, because I really don't have any other space for him to do that. I don't want to do it in the garage. Well, the garage is a mess, and I don't want it to get all dusty, and who knows where. And so after he puts the IKEA boxes for my craft room, I got the Hemnes shelving. I don't know, they're cabinets, the glass cabinets. Anyway, for my craft room. So after he puts them together, they're going to be lined up here, waiting to go in the craft room, because today we're pulling up the carpet. But that's going to be a whole nother video. We're pulling up the carpet, and yeah, flooring's coming in. So craft room video will be coming soon. Yeah, this is supposed to be a quick video. I am going to put this on fast forward to clean this up. So let me go get dressed, and if I have time, I might do the entryway too. I'm not sure. I think I'll probably just do this for today because I got other things to do. Okay guys, the cleaning products I'm using for this video is the Method Wood for Good polish. I love it. It smells wonderful, and I got this from Grove Collaborative, and I will put the link down below. If you order from them, you get $10 off your first purchase. And for the first time, I will have to let you know how I like this. I am using the Mrs. Meyers Lemon Verbena glass cleaner for the windows. So, and for the glass on the, although I'm not really sure it needs done. I did the whole inside of that, so I'm not doing that today. I might do the outside of the hutch, the outside glass. So, and then I'm using a microfiber cloth. It's just a generic one. I don't know, I should buy a better quality one. I don't know. And then I'm using these blue shop towels. They are extra thick, and you can buy them at Walmart. You may have seen me use these in other videos, and I've talked about them. So they are really good. So they do not leave lint on your windows, and you can use one as opposed to 2, 3, or 4 paper towels for like one window. You can repeat and use it again and again. And yeah, they're in the automotive section at Walmart is where I found them. I don't know where else you can buy them at. Yeah, so all right, let me put you on the tripod and do a little fast cleaning inspiration. With the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day glass cleaner. Yes, I'm not just saying that, guys. I have a terrible time of getting my windows streak free, and I've just given up on it because I'm like, at least they're clean. Because the outside of the window was nasty because it's on the patio and, you know, it gets a lot of dirt and stuff. So I basically used, I don't know, you can't really see because it's kind of dark, but I used one paper towel. I did go out there and use another one because I missed a few spots, so I got a clean one because the outside of the windows were dirty. Hadn't the windows been dirty, I could have used one. Normally I would use 2 per window, one to wet it down and one to dry. So that would have been 2, 4, 6, 8 paper towels, and I used one, really, because this other one I can use for behind me and do, I don't even know if they need done, the hutch. So, we shall see how that looks when the sun starts shining through. But basically the sun doesn't really shine through here because you can see I have the overhang with the patio and it faces north and south. So you don't really get the sun shining. But again, I have not, since I've lived here 5 years, I am seeing a spot here. Is that on the inside or the outside? It's on the outside, so I'm going to go out there and fix that. There's a 2 little spots there. I just missed. It's not a streak, I missed. So I have not been able to get my windows streak free. And this is, it also dried, like I sprayed it on there before I started wiping so I can like soak it down, because especially the outside was nasty. And some of the spots were already dry before I got to it. I don't know, is there alcohol in this? I have no idea. Let's see. Can you read that? Water, sodium. Yeah, there's alcohol in there. That's why it was drying so quickly. Interesting. So, I don't know. Works. It works. It's, yeah. Okay, all done. And I'm not going to vacuum because I just vacuumed on Sunday. And it doesn't need it. So, like I said, my brother's going to fix that when he comes over. I need to buy 2 lights for the hutch. They burn out quick. So, this, I'll show you real quick my tablescape because I don't think I'm going to do a separate video on this. I don't go all out for Valentine's Day. I just keep, I just have a few items that I keep out for Valentine's Day until the spring decor comes out. So I kept my plates out here that I had for Christmas because it's still winter and it's red, Valentine's, and I have that bead of the beaded garland for Christmas, and I keep it out and I keep it in this buffet behind me. I have a lot of decor items in the buffet. You saw me putting away the string lights, which, oh my god, that took me like 10 minutes to untangle all those. That was frustrating. So I have string lights in here and burlap and stuff, and I have a few decor items that I keep in here for the tablescape. So, and then there's wine glasses, and let's see, there's some candles in here, more candles, some vases, that kind of thing. So I have this set up. I didn't finish showing you the table, but this is just temporary, and I put these in here so I could hide this is my wireless speaker. It's called a Jambone, yes. So I just wanted to hide that, so I put some lemons and limes in here and some flowers in here, and yeah, so I don't know, I might change that up. But I just kept it simple. I just had the beads, and I think I got these from Target. They light up. Let's turn them on. Oops, and I just knocked over the gear. All right, so they're on. And I kept everything that I had on here for Christmas, pretty much. Well, this was this two-tiered thing, which was, the top part was a thrift find from Goodwill. And I just have these two little plates here that says love. The other side says life. My son gave me these for my birthday one year. And I just have some moss and some pine cones and red things, red beads, lotus flower pods, and yeah. And I still have my reindeer and my owl out here because it's rustic and I like it. And I like to keep it out all year long pretty much. So again, I still have the Christmas plates out here and all like that. And then a red candle with the burlap, lacy burlap around it. I love that look. It looks really nice. I have them on two candles over there too. I just really like that. I think I got that lace at Michael's. So that is it for my Valentine's decor. Pretty much. Okay, just a little recap, and I had thought about taking a shower and then getting on here with you, but you know what? I got other, and looking a little more presentable, but I got other cleaning to do. So why am I going to do that? Anyway, and that's just not me. I'm like, Mickey's videos are so professional and stuff, but I guess that's just not me, and why am I going to try to be somebody I'm not? But anyway, if you want to watch Mickey, go on over to her channel. She's the one that started this challenge. I'm just following along and doing it my way, doing it a little bit differently, as I always do. So Sunday, well, Monday's video was actually filmed on Sunday. Let's just recap on that. Yeah, I kind of overdid it a little bit. I did not throw my back out, but I was pooped. So Monday, nothing. I was a chillax day. I actually woke up with a severe headache, and it didn't go away till 3 o'clock. So yeah, I totally overdid it, but I actually don't regret it. I reset my whole house and refreshed it. Now I'm going back and tweaking those areas and doing a little more deep cleaning. And as you saw, actually the dining room didn't get cleaned on that day. So I straightened up the dining room. Yeah, so one other tip I want, oops, there's my lighting. Whatever. So one other tip that I wanted to tell you was, because of my back, and actually I haven't been wearing it lately, because of my back problem, I wear some shapewear, and I will put a link down below. It is Spanx that I got from Target, and I think it was around $20. It is like a t-shirt Spanx. I have other shapewear camisoles, but they're like spaghetti strap. I really like this one. One, it covers up my bra because some of my shirts are see-through, not this one. And they make shirts way too thin lately. So I have to wear something underneath. So I wear shapewear because it supports my back. And honestly, since I started doing that, my arm is getting tired. Since I started doing that, it has really helped my back. And I have to say, previously to my back being thrown out, if you don't know, I threw my back out, was it last Tuesday? Yeah, and I was out of commission for several days. So I started the 10-day clean with me challenge, and then I didn't get to finish it. So I'm finishing it now. And so
I realized I hadn't been wearing that, and it really helps support my back. It helps me keep my shoulders back and, you know, not hunched over, because I tend to have a horrible posture, and so that really helps. Yeah, so I don't know, if you have a bad back, I suggest trying to wear one of those shapewear things on a daily basis. I mean, who wants to walk around with a back brace? That's not attractive. So yeah, anyhow, so all right, so check out, I will have a list below of the videos that I have done so far. So this is day 3, right? Day 3, so I have 7 more to go. I was going to try to finish them by February 1st, but I'm not sure that's going to happen. Anyway, the point is to reset your house for the new year, and I'm almost done with that. So I am pretty happy, and yeah, my Christmas tree is still up. So that'll be in one of the next videos. OMG, right? Whatever. So I was going to tag somebody, but I can't really think of somebody offhand. Oh, Lisa. Lisa from Lisa's Cottage. I tagged you in this 10-day clean with me challenge. Guys, if I tagged you, don't feel obligated to do this challenge. If you can't do it, you can't do it. But it's nice to get your house all back together so you can have a fresh start for the new year. I know the new year's already started, but I like to take all of January to get it all together, to get my shit together before I start our new projects. Anyway, that's it for this video, and as always, guys, enjoy your day.